Villa LP was designed for a 3-generation family with different lifestyles among its members. While the grandparents are accustomed to the traditional Vietnamese way of life, the couple and their children are familiar with the modern lifestyle of foreign countries. The elders in this family have lived in this area for a long time, have a strong connection with their neighbors, and interact daily with their acquaintances, while their children and grandchildren visit Vietnam only a few times a year, making spaces to accommodate family gatherings and social events essential. Because of the differences in lifestyles, ages, and personal needs among the family members, various spaces were created to meet these requirements. The house is divided into 3 blocks, 2 bedroom blocks on the sides of the structure, guest rooms at the back of the house, while in the center are the kitchen and dining blocks, which serve as the main living space, connecting all other areas. The imposing structure blends well with its surroundings. From afar, the large structure can only be distinguished by the outline of the roofs on 2 levels. The building blocks hide under the roofs and create voids that connect the internal spaces with the inhabitants and the surrounding nature. The bare concrete surface and wood pattern aim to create a rustic and natural feeling while still ensuring the elegance and comfort of modern living. The main materials used in this house are concrete and natural wood. The bare concrete surface and wood pattern aim to create a rustic and natural feeling while still ensuring the elegance and comfort of modern living. The large living space opens and closes flexibly and also connects effectively with the surrounding nature and the courtyard, which has been incorporated under a wide veranda. The construction, with its sophisticated roof structure that extends beyond the structural system, gives the building a gravity-redefining look. The thin and light canopy running the length of the building creates a wide, open veranda filled with greenery, with minimal structural columns under the 30-meter canopy. During construction, most of the existing pine forest was preserved. Although the building was designed to spread horizontally in different directions, it still left space for the pines to thrive. And under the pine forest, this house is surrounded by its own gardens. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and share your thoughts about this house in the comments.